Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to automatically color correct the video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So first of all we will actually little bit like scale our video here. Let me just scale it a little bit and just like this and this here. Okay, so how to actually automatically color correct the video. So you will select your clip here, go to the windows here and click on Lumetri color, and here you will see this option which is auto. So you will click on auto here, and now it has automatically color corrected your video. Okay, so if you want to see actually the before and after results here, you will actually tap on this one here and it will show you the results here. Okay, so guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.